Hello everyone, let's do some hairstyling. Have a top section of the hair split them into 3 equal parts and braid it in a thinner manner, then braid it until you reach the bottom and have the end secure with the rubber band, and split the tail into 2 equal parts and have rubber band attach the middle part, create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it and move the lump to the top and have the tail attached together at the bottom with the rubber band, then have a beautiful hairpin on top of it. Grab a left section of the hair, split them into 2 equal parts and braid it. Do the same braiding on the right side and combine them together with the rubber band at the center. Then with the remaining section of the hair along with the tail, have a ponytail and split the tail into 3 equal parts and have a rubber band attach the middle part and create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it. Combine all the 3 tails together with the rubber band at the bottom and stuff the tail into the middle part, making as a bun and move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a little black hairpin. Then decorate it further by dropping a lovely hairpin. Tie in the middle of the rubber band and with the remaining section of the hair at the back, split them into 2 and make a ponytail on the right. Then have a rubber band attach the bottom middle part and stuff the tail into the middle one, stretch the middle one as a bun and move the bun to the top left and have it in place by dropping a lovely hairpin. Create a gap using your finger, drop the tail into it, grab the sides of the hair right below that and tie in the middle of the rubber band, drop it inside and with the remaining section of the hair, make a ponytail and split the tail into 2 equal parts and have a rubber band attach the middle part, create a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it. Combine both the tails together with the rubber band and stuff the tail into the middle one, making as a bun and move the entire bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin. To decorate even more further, dropping your lovely hairpin. Make a ponytail and have a rubber band attached to the top middle part and move the entire tail to the top and have a hairpin attached on the rubber band and bring the tail back and move to the top, having as a bun and comb it a little bit, adjusting the shape and volume and drop in a very beautiful hairpin. Comb a few strands of hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band. Then grab the left section of the hair, comb it, do the same for the right side and combine both the tails together right over the first one with the rubber band. Then after that with the remaining section of the hair, make a ponytail and have a rubber band attach the middle part and stretch the middle one and stuff the tail into it, making as a bun and move the entire bun to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin on either side. Then decorate with your lovely hairpin out of your collection. Comb the sides of your hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside to get a twisted band. Split them into 2 equal parts and have ponytails on each of them. Then have a rubber band attach the middle part and create a loop in the middle one. Drop the tail into it. Drop the left tail into its own loop. Do the same vice versa for the right side. Combine together at the middle with the rubber band and drop the tip into it and drop the entire tail go into the first loop we created and drop on your favorite hairpin. Save the left section of the hair, make a ponytail, split the tail into 2 equal parts and braid it and roll the braid into a clockwise direction and hide the tip underneath the bun and secure it with the hairpin. Have it split them into 2 equal parts and braid it and make it under the bun we created, then drop on your favorite hairpin. Make a ponytail and split them into 2 equal parts and have a rubber band attach the top part and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Then have the right loop dropped into the left one and have it scrunched to the top and twist it. Then after that with the remaining tail we have, split them into 2 equal parts and braid it and do the same braiding on the other side and roll it under the bun we created and drop on your favorite hairpin right underneath the bun we just now made. Thank you everyone for watching this video.